Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at Stafford Audi. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this brand new Audi A5 S-line Coupe. This vehicle features a 2-litre TFSI petrol engine pushing out 150 PS. This vehicle comes finished in the metallic paint colour Chronos Grey. Taking a look at some of the exterior features, across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. The Coupe sits on a set of 19-inch alloy wheels which come in a multi-spoke design as well as a contrasting grey colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED rear taillights. The vehicle also benefits from having a set of rear parking sensors along with a rear view reversing camera located just above the rear number plate. Opening up the boot and taking a look into the storage space of the vehicle, we have a large amount of storage space and the rear passenger seats can be folded forward. For the rear passengers to enjoy, there are two singular seats with a folding armrest in the middle. Up front we'll have some sportier style front seats with some S-line badging. The seats come in a mix of leather and Alcantara, and in the centre of the dash we'll find an MMI navigation system, and below this we'll also find the climate controls for the vehicle. Throughout the centre console we'll find two cup holders and an armrest for front passenger and driver, and the driver will also have access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel as well as a virtual cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this brand new Audi A5 Coupe S-line. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.